what I'm used to, I better sing. And don't you think that out of my grief I hope to compose a good song, but I have to move to mercy. Many is singing about her who blames me wrongly. Since I have a chance, lest I talk but to three, I must find compassion and forgiveness. Unless the rightful usage has gone, that doesn't prevent me from begging for compassion. Compassion, save the deep, whom no other good could save. As for my life, I have no more comfort. Therefore, if right doesn't help me, let compassion do it. Has man any right in love? No. But fools could think so, just as if one liked to, he could accuse the French of not being Gascon, or the ship of sinking before reaching Bari. Alas, for such a crime I'm taken by death, because otherwise, by Christ, I don't know what I did wrong. Now I know, and I like it so, that one does not part lightly from the one whom he craves. Instead he gets a humble and tender heart. Even if she denies her grace temporarily, I say this about me, who cannot stop loving her. That took all my joy and my pleasure away. Instead, the worse she treats me, the more I persist. And companions, by God, before she utterly wastes me, pray her to whom my love clings to pity me as hers, and say, you all, since I don't dare name singing.